Hi foodies, welcome back again. Today I'm going to show you a twist on the regular Til Ladoos with chocolate. Now chocolate is everyone's favorite, right? So these are going to disappear quickly. So you may have to make a bigger batch. Let me show you how to make these. Come on. Here I have toasted the sesame seeds and cooled at room temperature. I'm going to grind these in 2 batches. Keep this aside for a while. These are roasted peanuts, skin removed, and again I'll grind these in 2 batches for even consistency. These are semi-sweet chocolate chips and I'll grind them in the same batch and leave some for the next. This is jaggery which I have broken in small pieces. Pulse these a few times to grind to a rough consistency. Perfect. Now I'll grind the remaining sesame seeds, peanuts, jaggery and the chocolate chips to the same consistency. This is the total amount. A few saffron strands and some cardamom powder for a rich flavor. I'm adding melted ghee which will help in binding everything together. Drizzle some honey for complementing the sweetness. Try to mix with your hands so that the ghee will melt and will help in binding the mixture evenly. Just press the mixture to see if it's binding together and holds the shape. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and make the ladoos. Take a small amount of mixture and press to form a ball. We will now toss this and roll it into the toasted sesame seeds to coat all over. The ghee will make the sesame seeds stick to the ladoos. Lightly roll to ensure they stick and are even. Awesome! These ladoos are so tasty that kids and adults both love them, so double the amount if your family is a chocolate lover. They look great, don't they? Something different to enjoy for this Sankrant. This quantity yields about 18 to 20 ladoos. Enjoy and thank you for watching. Now these turned out really great. Let me try one and I'll let you know how it is. Perfect, chocolatey, the jaggery and the honey complement the sweetness. It's really amazing. I hope you get to try it at home. Let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you next week with another quick and easy recipe. Until then, bye.